Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know, it's Rush the Discover Boss, and you're here on Raymore Reviews. So it's another update video. We're back at East 15. Did a previous video on this shopping complex, this plaza. This is just another update. First of all, you guys know the drill. Remember to comment, like, and share. And also subscribe if you're new, so you can continue getting great development content like this. Content showcasing the beauty of Jamaica and the development of Jamaica as well. Subscribing is completely free, guys. Remember to also follow me on Instagram, Raymore Reviews-Jamaica. So we'll put the link for the previous video I did on this project in the description and in the comments, so you guys can see where it's coming from. To be honest, I think it has slowed down a bit. The work was moving much faster over the last 6 to 9 months, but it has slowed down a bit. We see they're already advertising space, and we can also see a picture of the finished project. Underground water, parking underground, elevator. So we see 3 upper floors, and there's parking underground as well. A small space though, not a very large space. But I think they utilize the space very well, and the design helped with the space as well. So it's just another quick update, guys, showing you all the development in Kingston and Jamaica to a larger extent. I'll go on the outside as well and show you some outside views, so you guys know exactly where we are. So this building is on Eastwood Park Road, right in the center of Halfway Tree. Very central location, very busy location. A few buildings beside it though really need to be developed. Even right over here. Right over here is a very big space with a lot of shops here, there, and everywhere. A lot of little shacks and little wholesale and everything. Right in the middle of Halfway Tree beside Transport Center. So the closest plaza is that blue one right there, which is relatively new as well. Alright, so that plaza is relatively new, but after that plaza, coming down, it's just complete shacks until we reach this one, and then some more shacks again. So let me know what you think in the comments, guys. Let me know what you think about this development. Let me know what you think about the location. And let me know what you think about the development in Halfway Tree on a larger scale.